Hello guys, my name is Troy Stanley. Welcome to Tech Talk. Alright, actually want to take this time out to thank my fellow subscribers for joining my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I've actually clocked 200 subscribers and I'm celebrating that. That's a big thumb up for you guys for all your support and everything. I really appreciate. And because of that, I'm going to take more time to be creating more videos for you guys and then make sure you guys are engaged, and then I hope you guys love my videos. And then if you want me to adjust in anything, to change in any way, feel free to send me a message. You can actually click the button right here, or you can actually just leave a comment below. I'll read every of your comments and I'll respond to each and every one of them. All right, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to record your screen and also how to take a screenshot on your phone making use of an application. Actually, it's actually done by default in clicking some buttons on your phones. This is actually going to do the trick for you, but in this application you're going to make use of in this process you're going to make use of an application called AZ Screen Recorder. It records and also snapshots your screen for you. Okay, this is the application right here. You can see the logo, and then if you want to make use of it, just go ahead after installation, click on it, and then once you click on it, this is what is going to pop up for you. This screen right here, it gives you an option to screenshot or record or do the setting, and you can also do a live streaming. Okay, you are free to select any of the option right here. Once you select on it, it's going to show you this AZ screen will start capturing everything displayed on your screen. So before we start to do that, first of all, let's go to Play Store to download this application. And to download the application, open up Play Store and then search for AZ Screen Recorder. It's the most popular screen recording application online, although there are so many other tons of ones which are also good, but I do prefer this one because there are so many features for me, and it's also free. And it doesn't have any roots, and the advertisement is not much. So once you search for the application, you're going to see it right here. Just go ahead and install, and you can see the rating and other people's comments. This is a very nice application. You can read and then check more about the application, and for some reason if you have some doubts, or you could actually look for some related software, and the DU recorder also does the same thing. But apart from AZ, I also second DU recorder. It's also a very nice application you could use, but I do prefer screen recorder because it doesn't hang and it doesn't take more time to load. It's very light and doesn't take up much memory on your phone. So I do prefer you to go for AZ Screen Recorder, which is actually my best. So you guys can make use of anyone you want to. So once you've done that, downloaded it, just go ahead and click on it to open it. Now I can't click on it because I'm actually using it right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, this is Tech Talk and my name is Troy Stanley. Signing out.